Hi everyone at home, my name is Ms. Kalinowski, and you may have seen me running around Santa's workshop. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to etch your own glass mug. You should have already picked up your kit, and in each kit you will have received a glass mug, your stencil with your tape on the back, a little bag that has your gloves, your etching cream, a popsicle stick, and some Q-tips. This bag you can decorate and give as a gift for whoever is going to be receiving your mug. This is what we're going to be making today. It's our etched mug. I've already started the process here. First, we're going to need to weed our stencil. Weeding is what we call when we want to take out the parts of the vinyl sticker here that we don't want. Now to do this, you can use anything like tweezers or even a paper clip that you open up to help push out the little pieces. I can just peel mine out using my fingers though. So I can just peel out the part of the stencil that I want to be etched on my mug. Make sure that you are leaving the red sticker around here. That's going to protect our glass. Next, we're going to put the sticky transfer tape onto our vinyl sticker. What I like to do is hold it in a U shape and then place it down carefully over my sticker. What you'll notice is that it is not completely covering all of the sticker. That's okay, I really just need it over the parts that are empty. Using your popsicle stick, press down and really push that vinyl sticker onto our transfer tape. You really want to pay attention to the little pieces that are floating on the inside here. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you just want to get as much flattened out as you can. You can use anything to do this. I've given you a popsicle stick, but you could use a pencil. And then we're going to peel away our sticker from the backing. Now that transfer tape allows all of the inside pieces to stick together. Now we have to put it onto the mug. I like to use some rolled up towels to help the mug stay in position. With mugs like this, you don't really need to worry about that as much, but on some of the more round mugs, it helps to keep it in place. And then we're going to just, again, use it like a U. It helps to set it onto your cup easier, and you want to place it down onto your cup. Now you're going to get a few bubbles. That's okay. What you really want to do is make sure that the sticker is on your mug, and you're going to go over it with your popsicle stick again to make sure that inside piece stays stuck. And then you move that transfer tape off, and you'll be left with your transfer tape on your mug. Now for this next part, we're going to need to put on our gloves. So in your bag, you have a set of gloves to put on. You don't really want to get the etching cream on your skin, and when you're done, make sure you wash your hands. All right, so now we have our mug, and we're going to start putting the etching cream on. So in this little tub, you have just a little bit of etching cream. You don't need a lot. I'm going to just use my little Q-tip and dip it in, get a little bit on there. And you want to just push it onto your mug. Only in the open places of the glass. Be careful not to get it anywhere else, otherwise it'll etch parts that you don't want etched. You want to use this and put a nice even coating on. It doesn't need to be really thick, it just needs to have a nice even coating on. If you happen to put it on really thick, You can always scrape it off at the end and reuse it. So I already have a mug that I've done. Let me show you what that should look like. Once you've got all of your etching cream on, see how it's a nice even coating on there? Once you have this all evenly coated, you need to set your timer. We have to wait 20 minutes. Now our mug is ready to rinse. If you have a lot of etching cream on your mug, you can go ahead and just scrape it off and put it back in with your etching cream, and you can save it to use again. You could get another stencil for yourself and you could put it back on. Make sure when you go to wash this off, you're also wearing your gloves. And when you're all done washing it off, you want to make sure you remove that vinyl sticker and wash your hands. When you're done with your mug, you want to wash it really well before you use it. It's dishwasher safe, or you could wash it by hand with just using soapy dishwater. Thanks for supporting the National Technical Honor Society. We really appreciate it, and we hope to see you in person next year for Santa's Workshop and Student Bazaar.